What is up, everybody? It's your boy Eagle Owl here. Today we got a brand new video for you guys today. Another reaction video of a great band that I absolutely love. They delivered a new track today, Versus Me. Heavy Breathing. Dudes, I can't wait to listen to this song. They got a new album coming out in September. September's stacked with albums and everything, but these guys, I know, have potential. Anyway, let's get into it.
Just lead the way, you know what to do. I wouldn't want this with anyone but you. Can you feel me? You control me. There's a fire in your eyes tonight. Can you feel me? I'm breathing. Hold on, 'cause this is not the end.
Oh, that was good. That was really good by Versus Me. Heavy Breathing. Huh. It's a lot heavier. Of course, it's heavy, but anywho, it's good. It's good. My favorite song from them would be Not Going Back, but that's just me. But anywho, what do you guys think of this track? I'm really excited for this album. This one's gonna be a surprise for me, I think. But anywho, what do you guys think of these guys? You guys want more of them? Who knows? Any guys, like, comment, subscribe, all awesome stuff. Versus Me, coming to Canada, coming to Winnipeg. Can't wait to hear more of you guys. Anyways, guys, talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.